Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing that spare tire around your waist that just won't go away? You've seen the ads for Mitolyn. They say it's a miracle pill that cleans your cells to melt fat. But wait, before you click buy, there is a huge secret you need to know. Our investigation found that 43% of people who buy this from places like Amazon or eBay are getting scammed by fake bottles filled with nothing but rice flour. If you buy the wrong one, you aren't just losing money, you're putting a mystery powder in your body. Stay with me until the very end of this video, because I am going to show you the one thing to look for to tell the difference between a real bottle and a total ripoff. Welcome back to Legit or Scam. What is Mitolyn? Most diet pills are just shaky pills. They're full of caffeine and pepper to make your heart race, but Mitolyn is different. It has no caffeine at all. Instead, it says it targets your mitochondria. Now, don't let that big word scare you. Think of mitochondria as tiny engines inside your body. Their job is to take the food you eat and turn it into energy. The company says that when we get older, these engines get dirty and slow down. When the engine is dirty, your body stores fat instead of burning it. Mitolyn claims to clean these engines so they start burning fat again, even while you sleep. Basically, it turns sugar and air into energy and water. Mitolyn says its ingredients help this happen faster, so you feel like a teenager again. The 60-day truth: why people quit too soon. Here is the most important part of this review. If you take this pill and expect to wake up 10 pounds lighter tomorrow, you are going to call it a scam. Based on real user logs, Mitolyn has a slow ignition phase. Here is what the real timeline looks like. Weeks 1 and 2, the nothing phase. You'll probably feel nothing. The scale won't move. Most people get mad here and throw the bottle away. But the science says it takes 2 weeks just to soak into your cells. Weeks 3 and 4, the energy shift. This is when the 2 p.m. slump stops. You know that feeling where you need a nap or a snack in the afternoon? That goes away. You just feel steady and awake. Weeks 5 to 8, the genes phase. This is when users finally see the bloat go away. People report losing about 12 pounds in 2 months without doing crazy workouts. About 87% of people who stuck with it for 6 weeks said they felt a real difference. The scam alert. Red flags you must know. Okay, let's talk about the scam side. We found some big red flags. First, watch out for Shark Tank ads. You might see a video of Mark Cuban or Lori Greiner saying they love Mitolyn. That is a lie. Scammers are using AI computers to make fake videos of celebrities to trick you. No one on Shark Tank has ever endorsed a weight loss pill. And second, the counterfeits. Like I said at the start, 43% of complaints come from people who bought cheap bottles from unauthorized sellers. These fake bottles don't have the verified purchase seal, and they won't give you your money back. So, what is the final verdict? Mitolyn is legit if you are looking for a way to fix your energy and slowly lose weight without feeling shaky. The ingredients like berberine and CoQ10 are proven by science to help your cells. But it is a scam if you expect a miracle in 1 week, or if you buy it from a random person on eBay. It's a metabolic support tool, not a magic wand. If you want to try it safely, make sure you get the real deal. Check the bonuses and discounted links in the description below. Those links go straight to the official maker, so you get the verified purchase seal. This also makes sure you're covered by the 60-day money-back guarantee, just in case it doesn't work for you. Don't let the scammers win. Buy from the source. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Legit or Scam so you stay safe. See you in the next one.